Okay, so we have two planes, and we have a point. Okay, and what do we want to do with all this information? We want to find the parametric equations. Okay, that will describe the situation. So I'm going to write out the parametric equations in blue. So we know x, y, z, and then they're all equal to xo plus at, yo plus bt, and zo plus ct. Where what? PO is equal to XO, YO, ZO, and PO is just our initial point that's kind of given in this case as 3, -2, and 4. Okay, so we're almost already done. Look at that. Okay, then A, B, C, we call that normal vector n, which is A, B, C, and that's, you find that vector by taking plane 1 and plane 2, taking their components. What I mean by that is this 3, this -1, and this 2, and then this 1, this 3, and -5, and then crossing them. So if you go like this, and now I'm going to go to black here, because this is the part that's different, right? So we'll see that we have 3, -1, 2. Like, what I'm saying is you literally just read off the coefficients of the planes. That's all you're doing. Like, just literally read it all, okay? I know it may sound too good to be true, but it actually is in this case. And you take their cross product, and we see that let's write it like this type of vector. So we get -1 times -5, which is 5. Then we -2, and then we get 3 times -5, which is -15, minus what? 2 times 1, which is 2. 1 second, I realized my mistake. Over here, this is that cross. So it's supposed to be 6 here, my bad. Everything else is correct. Okay, and then last one we get like this, which is 9, and then minus, so +1. And then we could write it as this way now, and we see that we get -1, and then -15 minus 2 is -17, -17 times -1 is 17, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so that's all it is. I mean, now we fill in the answer right here, and we see that it's going to be x, y, z is equal to, and then we're going to literally just write down these points, 3, 2, 4, plus, plus, plus. And then this is A, this is B, and this is C. So it's going to be -t, and then plus 17t. As you can see, the t is always there, and C is 10t. Okay, and then to clean this up, I'll write this as -t. So that's all it really was. It was really nice and simple, came out really quick.